evening, friends. Welcome to Tara Mandal. Today, I want to review Karma cards by Monte Faber. They are astrology cards, and also I'll be showing you how to use these cards for divination with an example reading. They are astrological cards, and the pack includes 36 planet, sign, and house cards plus one guidebook. This is the guidebook, 96 pages illustrated guidebook. We'll see that in a while. They are the cards. We have Sun, Moon, Mars, Venus, Mercury, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto, the North Node and the South Node. We have 12 planets cards. Then we have the Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. So we have 12 signs cards. And we have third group of house cards. First house, second house, third house, fourth house, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th house. We have 12 house cards. Yeah. A little bit of information on how to use these cards on the back side of the box has been given, and it says to learn the answer to any question about your karma on a spiritual, mental or physical level, simply shuffle the deck, deal and interpret 3 cards from planet, sign and house groups. Your message is written right on the cards so you can access your answer instantly. As it says, we have to shuffle the group of planets cards and choose one planet card. Similarly, shuffle the group of signs cards and choose one sign card. And similarly, shuffle the group of house cards and choose one from it. Yeah, and the messages are written right on the cards. Yeah, the 3 messages are written in different shades of red color, and on the other side 3 messages are written in the different shades of blue color. All the cards are like that. 3 messages on each cards, total 6 messages. 3 messages in the shades of blue color and 3 in the different shades of red color. All the cards, the signs cards. Houses cards. House cards also have 3 messages written in blue and red color. Let us see the guidebook how to use the karma cards. Interpret your answer. Notice that the words printed on your karma cards have a single letter in the border alongside them, either S, M or P. S, M or and P on both the sides. S, M, P. These denote the 3 levels of answer you can obtain. Spiritual, what is best for the nurturing of your soul. Second, M stands for mental. What is best for the nurturing of your intellect. And P stands for physical. What is best for the nurturing of your bodily needs. So these are 3 levels of answer we obtain. One of these levels at the very least answers your question. Simply read the sentence formed by the words on the spiritual level of your 3 karma cards. Then do the same thing with the sentences on the mental and physical levels. So at least one of those sentences will be your answer. So it says, simply read the words given in each level, spiritual level of the all 3 karma cards, and form one sentence. Then read the words given in the mental level of all 3 karma cards and form the second sentence. And similarly form the third sentence reading the messages given in the physical level of all 3 karma cards. And see, your at least one of the sentence formed like this will have your answer definitely. It may have more than, you may get more than one messages, but at least one sentence will definitely have your answer. Yeah, and the book, let us see what it has more to say about reading the cards. It says we can use these cards in 2 ways, in 2 types of question. One type of question is an action question, where we seek guidance on what action to be taken to get a desired outcome. And the second type of question where we can use these cards is an outcome question, where we want to know the outcome of a particular action taken, or the outcome of a particular situation. So let us understand this with an example reading. Like this morning itself, one of my relative called me having a question related to investing in a property. He saw yesterday. He visited the site and he liked the property, and now he is thinking on investing in the property. But before that, he wants to know whether this property will benefit him in future or no. So what will be the outcome? So what will be the outcome if he takes an action of investing in a land or property? So his question is an outcome question, where we have to read the blue colored messages. So I chose 3 cards for him, one from the planet card, and I got the south node for him. From the group of signs cards, I got the card of Taurus. Okay. And from the group of house cards, I got the 10th house for him. So let us read the phrases. In spiritual, mental and physical level, and try to obtain our answer. So first, spiritual level. It says, there will not be resources to maintain your destiny. So this particular planet, the south node in the sign of Taurus, in the 10th house, what result this combination will give? At spiritual level, there will not be resources to maintain your destiny. Now try to understand from this sentence, what does it want to say? There will not be resources to maintain your destiny. That means if you invest in this particular land or property, in future what will be the outcome? There will not be resources to maintain your destiny. See, the answer is very clear. Maintain your destiny, maintain your property in future. There will not be resources. Okay, you may deplete in resources. Okay, somehow. Maybe it could be money, or it could be the time management, or anything. Or maybe emotional level, maybe at practical level, at financial level. There will not be resources to maintain your destiny. Okay, let us read further. At mental level, combining the phrases on all three karma cards, okay, and forming one sentence, we are getting anxiety about the practicality of where you are going. Anxiety about the practicality of where you are going. See, it is at mental level, it is talking about the practical aspect, the financial aspect or the physical aspect of your question. So there it says at mental level there will be anxiety about the practicality of where you are going, where you are going, where you are heading, what will be your future, what will be your future with this property. There will be an anxiety. The practicality. See, here also at spiritual level also, it talked about the resources to maintain your property, to maintain your destiny. The future resources in the future. There will not be resources to maintain your destiny. So it can be mental resource, or it can be physical, or practically the financial resources. And now at mental level, when you are reading the phrases and forming the sentence, it very clearly says about the practical, maybe about the practical resource. Maybe it's finance. So now let us read the physical aspect. On the phrases given in the physical level phrases, and forming one question, forming one sentence, what we are getting is a trouble resulting from the productivity of your career. Yeah, trouble resulting from the productivity of your career. So it says that certainly at career level, in future in career level, uh, some changes are going to happen whereby it will become troublesome to maintain the resources, uh, to manage with the resources to maintain this property in future. Yeah, trouble resulting from the productivity of your career. Yeah, maybe the productivity of your career will decrease, and you may have a financial problem from that. Yeah, and there will not be enough resources to maintain the property in future, and there will be anxiety about the practicality of where you are going. Yeah, the future of this property, or future of your career. Where is your career going? Future, um, about your finances. Yeah, so the answer is, see, all the three sentences we are getting clear, more and more clear as we read the spiritual, then we read the mental aspect, and then we read the physical aspect. The answer is getting more and more clear, and it clearly says no to invest in this property. Yeah? A clear warning of changes in career, and difficulty in managing the resources, and mental anxiety and practical troubles. Yeah, resulting from this. So I hope you understand this. It is clear to you how to use these cards, and it's very easy to use them. I've been using since many years, and every time I use them, I get very, very clear answers. In case your answer is not clear, say, suppose you read all three sentences, you form all three sentences, and sometimes it happens that answers are not clear. Then what you have to do is, you have to read the other aspect of the other side of the cards. So if your question was an outcome question and the answers are not clear, then you read the action aspect of the cards, of the messages. And suppose your question was an action based question and answers are not clear, then just read and try to understand the other side of the cards, that is the outcome aspect of the messages, and you may get your answer in there. Yeah, and yeah, so try out, and let me know in the comment section how you find these cards, and how you find this video. I'm thinking of making a series of astrology based oracle cards. I have a good collection of astrology based oracle cards, and a different system of divination from various parts of the world, based which the system of divination which is based on astrology. So one by one I'll be taking those, and in the next video I'm planning to do this astrology reading cards, by Richard Crooks. They are also very simple and easy to use cards. So I'm thinking of doing simple cards in starting of the series, and as we go on we'll be doing tougher cards and different the system of divination based on astrology from different parts, from different nations, countries of the world. So hope you like this video. Thank you for being with me in this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, good night, bye, take care.